How to see call history from months ago. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see call history from months ago. First of all, open up your phone application and then scroll down. So this will show you your old call history, but this will be limited to 100 recent calls maximum. Now to see older history, you need to go on Google. Now simply type your SIM call history and hit the first option which is shown on your screen. So through this, you can access your old call history. If you're unable to find the information through these methods, consider contacting your service provider's customer support. They may be able to assist you in retrieving older call records. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.